What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules?
Hello lovelies, if you are ready to unleash that inner artist, then keep on watching. But first, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Okay, so we are starting off with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is an OG. Y'all know this goes way back, and this will always be a staple to me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my eyelids to make the color pop. This is in the color Creamy Beige. And we're starting off with the 120 color eyeshadow. I got this off of Amazon, y'all. I was surfing like a long time ago, probably like 2 years ago, and I found this palette, and you know, I was like, let me go ahead and try to use this thing. I also use Hip Dot and Beauty Glaze Gorgeous Me palette to make some of these colors pop as well, just to kind of see how they blend it together. And as you can see, it did come out good. So as y'all can see on my other eye, I have the yellow, the orange, the red, and the burnt pink. So y'all can put it however you guys want to. So I'm going to go ahead and speed it up for y'all because I know y'all don't want me to talk through this whole thing. If you guys want the information to these palettes that I used, of course, I'm going to link it down below. Okay, y'all, yes, I did forget to put the tape, but it's all good. Bounce back. Hey you guys, I just wanted to say huge shout out to James Charles for inspiring me to do this look. I definitely have the utmost respect for the LGBT community. I love you guys, and I have the utmost respect for all of you guys. Just continue to love who you love, stay strong, and get that money. Okay y'all, so we about to get this crease popping, and we going back in with the Pro Concealer Creamy Beige. Don't forget, if you're my shade. Well, this is what I use. Y'all can use whatever color y'all want. I know people usually use like a white base because it makes the colors pop even more, but as you can see, my colors are definitely popping with this Creamy Beige. Shout out to LA. Now let's go ahead and speed this thing on up. Whew! All my MUEs, my MUAs. Ooh, Lord. Y'all know how precise y'all have to be with a cut crease. I took my time with this, and here's the results. So, as you can see on the other side, I'm just going to repeat the bottom colors. The purple, the blue, the green, the lime green, and of course, like I said before, y'all can do whatever color y'all want. You know, make it poppin'. This is what I did. And, yeah. We're gonna speed it up again. Y'all, I'm really hitting my bedroom voice for this video. I gotta whisper because my babies be taking naps. So I'm gonna have all the fun I want when I want.
say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
So I'm just using this little small fine precision brush to kind of go over the top of the cut crease to make sure everything does not look a little wonky, a little out of place, a little crazy. Just gonna sharpen it up.
Imagine a utopia. Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa.
So I am mixing in some Can't Stop Won't Stop by NYX and some Maybelline Fit Me. I can never find my perfect shade. It is so hard. So if you know what I feel, then you should be able to feel my pain. But yeah, I'm mixing these two together, and then I'm gonna buff to the gods. Of course, I'm gonna put the colors underneath my eyes. Y'all already know how that goes. Underneath my waterline, I'm gonna do the red, the orange, and the yellow.
Pixels on a screen, no, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start
I know I went a little bit too far with the inner corner, cause if at first you don't succeed, pick that brush up and try again. You can pick it up, try again, ooh, ooh. Okay, y'all know I had to pick up this Maybelline Age Rewind and wind it up. Oh yeah, ay, ay, ay. I'm dancing, but y'all can't see me. Ay, I need to stop drinking these wine coolers, y'all. Woo! But yes, I'm about to blend these bags into another planet because they look horrible. I know y'all can see it. I barely get sleep, but it's okay. That's what they make concealer for. Cover it all up. Okay, you guys, I'm using the Revolution Makeup Banana Powder. I'm not wearing Airspun today, not wearing anything else. This was the closest thing to me, so shout out to Revolution. Okay, you guys, so I'm using the Profusion Strobe and Glow. I really did not feel like shining lasers through your screen, so I went a little bit light-handed. My eyes were already dramatic, so I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna do too much. This is fine. So I just lightly dusted it, and it still came out cute. Everybody's literally always asking me how I put on my lashes. 95% of the time I use my hands. Because it's like, look, I feel like I got more control when I use my hands. I can squeeze it together and it'll stick. And whereas if the beginning of the lash and the end lash are, being a pain in the butt, I will then grab the tweezers and squeeze them down like you see me doing right now. Okay, y'all, so know these lips ain't always soft, so I'm using Shop by Body Bella. Link definitely will be down below. Using it in the flavor bubblegum. When I tell you guys, Sugar Shock is real. I love it. It's vegan, it's homemade, it is so good. While applying this color called Vibin from AOA Studio. Then, of course, we're going in with Pretty Face Cosmetics. Shout out to you, girl. This color is really, really beautiful. It's like a sherbet orange, oh my gosh, it's like a really beautiful creamy orange. And the color is definitely called Creamsicle. And now I want some sherbet ice cream. I love this color. It's really pretty. It really gave it a nice ombre effect with the nude and the sherbet orange. Y'all, the combo, come on now, perfect. And of course, if you want to surf their websites, Shop by Body Bella and Pretty Face Cosmetics, y'all know I'm gonna link it down below and get your shop on. And this is for the piece de resistance. I am going to sprinkle some of that Fit Me powder love all over my face and blotch out any of the harshness. And voila. If you love this look, please give it a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, join my team. And I love you guys. Thank you for watching. I will see y'all on the next one. Mwah.
If I say it enough, it gets ingrained.